welcome to the channel. Can you please introduce yourself first?
Okay, sir. Thank you. This myself Umesh. I am from Tirupati and pursuing final year at BTech at KL University, and I am from ECS branch, means Electronics and Computer Science, and I am specialized in web technologies. And my technical skills are Java and database management system and SQL, and I have done projects on deep learning and visual learnings, speech to text using these speech technologies, and I have also similar knowledge on blockchain technologies like smart contracts, and I have participated some hackathons and coding platforms like Codes. That's
Okay. Have you done any internships?
yes, sir. I have done one internship on full stack development.
Okay. Can you please tell me a little about what you have done and what was your project during this internship?
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir. It is based on e-commerce systems and online shopping management system, which is used for easy navigations for users. Um, I have done backends from this project using Django framework.
Uh, so basically, you have used Django framework for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can you please tell me what was the company name?
Segura invented, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Can you please tell me how to like have you implemented the login and logout systems in that backend part?
Backend.
Yeah.
Sir, we can use HTTP request and response firstly.
Okay. Okay. Uh, can you please tell me how to use validations in Django?
Validations, sir. There are four methods are there, sir.
Okay.
Firstly, get method which can fetch the data, and post method, sir. Post method is
No, no,
fast.
you don't. You get my question. I am talking about how to implement validations during login and log. You know?
Forgot, sir.
You don't know.
I forgot, I know, but I
Okay.
did not
Tell
remember.
me what you did in that Django.
Okay, sir. Mainly I used only like how to tell 1 minute, sir. I
Be
remember.
calm. Be calm. Don't be nervous. Okay. I am bit.
Yeah. Mainly used I have increased the accuracy of the model, sir. That's it. I done.
For that, what you did, like which kind of algorithms used, what you did.
Okay, sir.
You must have used some algorithm to improve the accuracy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So can you please
By
talk?
using machine learning algorithms, which is model web.
Algorithm, but which algorithm?
Okay, sir. Convolutional neural networks, CNN.
CNN. What is CNN?
Yes. Convolutional neural networks, sir.
What is it actually?
Uh, Firstly, it can scan the image data.
Yeah.
Uh, it can translate the image into text generation, sir. That's only we can use CNN networks.
Directly from a scanning image to output.
Yes, sir.
There is no
Is
layer
it
for
possible,
that.
sir? Layers also there, sir. Like a dense layer, which increases the density of the your model.
And what is the advantages and disadvantages of using CNN?
Okay, sir. Firstly, advantages are fast generations, and there is no fault tolerance in CNN, sir. Next one is model creation is also easy. One of the disadvantages large data set we have required for these CNN data sets. That's the only main problems are from CNN network.
Okay. Uh, you have also done some projects.
Yes, sir.
Can you take?
By using CNN also, by using CNN also, I have done something like a speech to text in these speech technologies.
Okay. Can you explain about your project?
Yes, sir. Sure. Firstly, sir, I can explain step by step, sir, how I create. Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you. Firstly, my project name is speech to text in this speech.
Sorry,
First
now
step
you are
is,
visible. Yeah, now you are
sir.
visible.
Firstly, we have data sets, sir. Like a Kaggle website, we can search in Kaggle. Like data sets like housing and the sports, like this, we can search in that, sir. Nextly, load the data set. Last step is we can find the which is dependent variable and which is undependent variable from this data set. Next step is um, we can model creations of like CNN. We can use CNN from this data set, model creations, and also validation of the data set, which is which is data independent variable, which is undependent variables. We can find it, and if any error out there in the code, we can remove the by using feature extraction principle, and we can have say, aggregate output from this, sir. Main object on main object of this project is uh, it can give real time test generation, sir. Like we can use emails, conferences, like dashboards.
So you told me that you have noted some data sets. Okay. From definitely some websites.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please tell me which websites?
Caution, sir.
Okay. Great. Okay. Can you please tell me how to remove that redundant data, those data sets?
Sir, by using feature extraction, sir, one of the principle are there in machine learning. We using this, we can also remove this unwanted weight principle. I mean errors.
Okay. Suppose there are two, three rows. That is
Oh, sir.
yeah, that is not unique.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to remove that because it will impact the result of the output of the our project. So how will you
Okay,
remove
sir.
that project? How will you remove the that?
Okay, sir. Firstly, we can find the two variables, sir. One x and one y, which is dependent and which is undependent. Independent variable, it has duplicate values. Y have independent value. Means it does not take any duplicate values. By using one of the principle are there, sir, precision and accuracy. Using this, we can remove that, sir.
How will you remove the null values from those data sets?
Null values means like how many, sir, I remember.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
August.
Yeah.
I
So you have
forgot, sir.
yeah. Okay, you have also written AWS in your resume. So you
Yes,
must
sir,
know
sir.
about it. Okay.
I know, sir, some services.
Okay. You know. Which services you use basically?
Sir, I have done a smart traffic management system using AWS.
Okay. It is provided by which organization?
Amazon Web Services.
Okay. And why do you use AWS instead of why haven't you used Google Cloud?
Sir, in AWS, it is open source. It can
Google
which can
Cloud is
do
also an open source.
sir,
Google Cloud is also an open source.
I cannot use.
Google Cloud is also an open source. You know.
Yes, sir, but it cannot load large data sets, sir. In AWS, we can dump any large data sets, sir.
Okay. What is the news of need of using AWS?
Uh, Sir, we can host any websites using AWS S3 buckets, and also it have enhanced security and flexibility in AWS, like services like IAM, which is Identity Information Management, which is used for means securities purpose. We can use IAM, sir, and also CloudFront also services which is used for creation of the data.
Okay. What is IaaS?
IAS for identity. And, uh, I didn't.
We don't know about IaaS, SaaS.
Sir, I have done only four services.
If you know cloud computing, this is the, I think this comes under the first or second lecture.
Okay.
Infrastructure as a service, system as a service. You don't know about it?
I have only four services, sir.
Okay, this also comes under service.
Okay.
That's that the organization provides. If you want to post, they have certain criteria. According to your need, you can choose any of their services.
Okay, okay, sir.
You don't have.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, so you have done SQL.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the languages that is used in SQL.
Okay, sir. There are four languages in SQL: data manipulation language, mm, data definition language, next transition control language, sir. DML means DML has consisting of how to insert any values or column value in a table, um, insertions, deletions, uh, truncate. On in TCL, the transition control language, it consisting of invoke method and also rollback methods.
And rest of those two.
So, first of the DML, this and select keyword also we use select, which identifies the entire data.
Okay, what are transactions in SQL? What are transactions in SQL?
Shells. Transactions.
Yeah. Do you know about acid properties?
Yeah.
Do you know about acid properties?
Yes, sir. Can I explain? Sir, acid properties are atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, sir.
This is the full form. What actually it is? What actually atomicity means? When we say atomicity, what actually it means?
Okay, sir. Atomicity is a transactions. It can gather the 1 minute, sir. I can explain. I can remember. Going. Sir, atomicity is a transactions which can gather the entire data in a single element.
What do you mean by durability?
Sir, once a transaction has been committed, even the system's failure in the transactions may not be changes in the data, sir. In the transactions data.
Can you please tell me what is normalization?
Normalizations. Normalization is a which reduces the tables into subgroups, and it it have one advantages which is data integrity and reduce the transparency of the models.
Okay. And what is denormalization?
Denomination means it cannot handle a large amount of data, and also it cannot divide the entire table into two halves.
Okay. Great. Do you know what is 3NF?
Three and a half, sir.
Yeah.
3NF means it is under the 1 minute, sir. So 3NF is main advantage is it can reduce the redundancy, means minimize the entire table, means minimize the duplicate data across the entire table, sir.
Okay. Great. Actually, I'm done with you. Do you have any questions for me? No. Okay. Great. Have you enjoyed this mock interview?
Yes, sir. Nice. It's nice.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm ending this interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.